Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your phone as a remote for your Insta360 Ace Pro 2 camera. To do it, click here, and now your phone is giving you the preview. You can change the shooting modes and everything that you may possibly need. And here are all of the settings that were on the camera for the picture stuff, like the format, the filter, the FOV, which is field of view, the resolution, and everything else that you may need. And you can just use the camera, place it somewhere, for example. So I'm gonna place it right here. And now you can just go, for example, into the video. You will see your preview, you will start recording. Then the camera started recording. I can move in front of the camera, then pause recording, and it will be saved to your camera's SD card. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.